Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. When it comes to style and comfort, Coco has done it again with this gorgeous wraparound dress. Now, this dress is so comfortable and so flattering with a ruffle that goes all along both sides of the dress and a traditional wraparound belt that feeds into one side, and then you can tie it either at your waist or at your back, whichever you prefer. It has a high-low hem, which is very flattering. The material is soft, hangs well, but is not too clingy. You could easily wear this any season, simply wearing it under a coat, which it fits perfectly, with a fun winter jacket. It's so versatile. You're going to be reaching for this dress whether you're wearing it all day to work or for drinks after, or even a special occasion. I have it in the size large in the pink swirl. It comes in a ton of colors and patterns, and I feel it fits true to size. So sparkly and iridescent on that fabric. It totally passed my sit down and cross my legs test, even though it's a wraparound. It even passed the play in the backyard with my grandson test with flying colors. And that is my point of view.